Hello, I am the recipient of a $1,000 ring from Fragrant Jewels. Those of you who have maybe gotten one of those slips of paper and wondered if it is a scam, it is not. It does take a very long time to get in, and you have to fill out some forms to prove that you are you and get it notarized, but I think it's definitely worth it. And I'm going to unbox it in front of you all today. So you get the option to customize it a little bit. They give you a couple of stone choices, the shape, and then the type of gold you want. So I chose blue topaz. I'm super excited. Sorry, puppy's in. Wants to see too, I guess. Super excited to see what's inside. You also get an appraisal with it. Mine just hasn't come in yet, and I was too excited to wait to open this, so we're just gonna open it now. That is gorgeous. I picked the white gold. It looks like I got the Swiss blue topaz surrounded by diamonds. Oh, I love the band. The band's gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. It's an Asher cut. I think I'm saying that right.